Hi, this is just a short video on matching labs in HealthOne. Now, I have a patient open here at the moment who has got a lab result back, and this will be the same for any lab result, but I've just particularly picked out this vitamin B12 at the moment. Now, you can see the vitamin B12 result is down here, and the one thing I want you to note is right beside it, you can see a little small T right beside that. So that small T tells you that this lab is unmatched in HealthOne. Now, one thing about HealthOne is even if the lab is unmatched, you will still be able to see it and still see what the lab result is that's come back for the patient. The one thing is if it's not matched up to an item in HealthOne, HealthOne doesn't know what that lab is. This really comes into play with the likes of chronic disease management or CDM. For example, if you got a HbA1c result back that wasn't matched, that had the T beside it, it wouldn't populate onto the CDM Mediform. So it would be important to match those there. So how you match a lab, one thing just to note beforehand, you can see I've got the laboratory codes displaying here. You can toggle that on and off by clicking on this little button up here to see just a result, and that's with the lab codes on. You can also turn that on and off by going to Tools and Options and Data Exchange Module, and this tick box here to display original lab codes if possible. I think HealthLink like that to be left on. Just OK that there. So we can see the result here, and it's got the little small T beside it. That means it's unmatched. So how we match it up is you just right click on the lab in question and you go to remap lab item, and then you find the following item inside of HealthOne that matches up to vitamin B12. So I just happen to know that B12 would be the right one in this case. So I select B12 or Vit B12 as it is here and click OK. And you can see now the little T has disappeared, which means that HealthOne now knows what that result is. And that'll be the same for any other result. If it's got a T beside it, you just right click and remap lab item and then find the item in HealthOne that would match up to that there. So that's just a short video on matching labs in HealthOne. Just to note again that when the lab comes back, it will still display in HealthOne no matter what it would be, as you can see with this FBC here. But some of the results would have the T beside them if it doesn't know what it is, if the lab has come from a new lab or a lab has changed the way they send out the labs. So that's that. Thanks.